Hey guys, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are making classic beef lasagna. This recipe is super easy and delicious and perfect for any occasion or family dinner to special gathering. Let's get started. Start by adding oil in a large pan. Once heated, add chopped onions and garlic and saute until they are soft. Next, add the ground beef. Cook it until it's browned. Once the beef is brown, add salt, red chili flakes, black pepper, mix well. Add chopped tomatoes, mix well. Cover and let it cook for some time. Remove the cover, then add tomato ketchup, oregano, water, cover and let it cook. Once cooked, remove the lid of the pan, then add chopped capsicums. Mix until it's well combined. To make white sauce, add ghee in a pan, add flour, mix well, then add milk. Mix everything well to remove the lumps, then add salt and white pepper and mix and cook until the sauce is thick. Boil the lasagna strips as package instruction and keep it aside. Now it's time to assemble. Start by adding a layer of white sauce, follow with a layer of lasagna noodle, add beef, then again white sauce, lasagna noodles, cheese. Repeat these layers until you reach the top of your dish, ending with a layer of cheese and a final sprinkling of oregano, and place some green capsicum over the layers. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Place the lasagna in the oven and bake it for 25 minutes. And there you have it, a delicious homemade beef lasagna. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!